Yo guys, I can't believe we got that official confirmation that we'll be getting one of the sneakers that literally caused riots, caused violence in the sneaker community, in the world, and that was the release of the Galaxy 1.0 Foamposites. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. 2025 is gonna be hefty on our pockets, man.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Yo, what's going on everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in, seeing what your boy DeVintage is talking about. You guys know we come up on YouTube, let you guys know about all updates that we have been getting from Nike, from Adidas, from New Balance. All types of different brands are doing some crazy stuff this year and next year. And I just feel like Nike this year and 2025, it's gonna take the cake. It's gonna be literally all Nike, all Jordan when it comes to the sneaker community and what people are actually consuming and buying and adding to their sneaker collection, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. If you guys are a sneakerhead, if you're a sneakerhead, you love shoes, you rock your sneakers, I need you guys to do one thing. I need to see something, bro. If you are in that category, leave a huge like on this video. Let's see how many real sneakerheads we do got that's tapped in to today's video. All right, guys, you've seen the news, bro. You've seen it on the Nike sneakers live that they did today. Right after the Nina Chanel Air Jordan 3 dropped, they went live over there talking about some upcoming releases that we will begin from Air Maxes, Foamposites, Air Force Ones, all types of stuff Nike has planned. They previewed it today, and you know, we got a lot of rumors talking about we will be getting the Galaxy 1.0 to release again next year. We heard this, you know, previous years before saying that we will be getting it, but they actually went on themselves and said we are getting the 1.0 or the Galaxy Foamposites. You guys know these did release right here. It's the 2.0. These released back in 2018. I think that's a year, 2018, when these joints dropped. And I thought that after we got these right here, we were not going to get the original. I thought they're going to keep going up like 3.0, 4.0, because there's a lot of different colorways you can make up for the Galaxy. You can go all the way up to 6.0 if you wanted to, going crazy with the Foamposite. And I just think it's important to note that Foamposites don't get a lot of love. Foamposites do not get a lot of love whatsoever. But when it comes to these Galaxies, and even when they dropped back in the day, people was going all out. I'm talking about literally causing chaos, destruction. Like, it was just a crazy day. I ain't had the money to buy this shit back in the day, but it's something I've seen all on the internet, seen people talking about. I did talk to different people about the sneaker, and it just actually happened to be one of the craziest drops, almost like the Columbia Air Jordan 11s or the Concord Air Jordan 11s that happened back in the day when the Get Money Boys on the, you know, the screen talking about the releases and stuff like that. That's the kind of, you know, hype, the kind of attention that the Galaxy 1.0s did get back then. It's just crazy. I don't want you guys thinking I'm a hype beast. You guys know I love Foamposites. For the people that do not know that I love Foamposites, I'm gonna just show you guys a couple that I do have in the collection, or you can just go check out my old Foamposite collection video that did drop. Your boy loves Foamposites. Sold a couple out of the collection, but just hearing this news today, you know, even though we have been getting some dope ones and we still getting the Royal Foamposites 2 drop this year and a couple more other colorways, I'm just super excited. So I had to show you guys a couple of the ones that I do have currently. I'm only gonna show you guys a couple because if I showed you all of them, we'd be here all day. So of course, I already showed you guys these, the Galaxy 2.0s. It came with the Take Flight hang tag that came with these joints. But just overall, man, one of the ones I had to have. I think I paid like $600 or maybe even higher. Right now, they're still currently going for that price range, but I knew I was gonna take an L. And I'm telling you, bro, if you think that the 1.0s is coming out next year, it's not gonna be hard to get. You got another thing coming. It's gonna be people that don't even know what a Foamposite is trying to get the Galaxy joints that release All-Star Weekend. I think it's either All-Star Weekend or Summer 2025, one or two. Put a screenshot up here so you guys can check it out. But here goes the first one, man. Galaxy 2.0 Foamposite, guys. Next, let's see what we do have. Okay, here we go. This is, I think, my first or second ever Foamposites I did buy. The Red October, the all red joints right here with the gold aglets on the laces. And this one right here, like I said, I wore these, I hooped in them, I did all types of stuff in these joints. And the thing that is still durable, the thing that I can still actually throw these on feet right now and get some good wears out of them is crazy, man. So that just speaks to the durability, speaks to the actual makeup of the Foamposites. You guys can see, bro, one of the ones that everybody know about, the Red Octobers, all red joints, go crazy. And, you know, I had to keep these in the collection. Let's see what else we do have right here. I just pulled out a couple of my Foamposites, man. This one right here, I think it released last year, if I'm not mistaken. the metallic red joints right here with the icy translucent blue bottom. And we got the all red ones, but Nike said, you know what, let's go ahead and drop them OG metallic red things right here. But you see, they speak for themselves. Super crazy, super nice. I love them. You guys let me know in today's video if you have any Foamposites in your collection, or if these Galaxies kind of woke you up to the Foamposite way. And then the last one I'm gonna show you guys is the anthracite triple black Foamposites right here. You cannot go wrong with these. Literally all black, perfect all year long. But I know a lot of people are gonna be wearing these primarily in the winter time, when it's raining, when it's snow out. You can rock these things, wipe them off real quick, and they're gonna be back looking crispy, man. The Foamposite, I'm telling you, super durable. These are like indestructible. It's like an indestructible sneaker. I think that's why a lot of people did get these back in the early 2000s, because of how durable these are. You can wear them all year long in the school year, whatever it may be. And me, I just fell in love with them back in the day. So I'm gonna keep that trend going. I'm gonna keep buying Foamposite, because it's like one of my first loves when it comes to sneakers, man. So I just showed you guys a couple of Foamposites, but kind of backing up a little bit, bringing up the Galaxy joints. I can anticipate the retail price being upwards of 250 bucks, just due to the fact that's going to be a quick strike. It's going to be one of them, highly limited Foamposites. They probably do some crazy packaging. Who knows what they might do, but Nike has a lot of stuff in store for us. And me, myself, I'm going to do anything in my power to make sure I get a pair. And of course, we're going to try to touch some things early. Like I said, that's depending on when the release date is. If it's around All-Star Weekend, we can probably stash you as early as November, December. But stay tuned, of course, by subscribing, hit the notification bell. And again, let me know if you're going to be grabbing any Foamposites prior to those, or you wait up until we get the Galaxy OGs to return in 2025. Along with, Nike dropping the Galaxy Foamposites, the huge elephant in the room is that we will be getting the Air Jordan 4 white cement, and it's going to be, I guess, a regular drop. It's not going to be a remastered or reimagined Air Jordan 4 white cements. It's going to be an OG return of the Air Jordan 4 white cements, which is good. I know a lot of people kind of tired of the whole reimagined thing. I don't see too many people complaining about the remaster series, which we'll be getting this year for the Air Jordan 3 black cements. So let me know how you feel about that. Along with those joints, who will be getting probably going to go down as shoe of the year, the Air Jordan 1 high 85 breads. Me, myself, I'm going to be going all out for those. And now I just feel like I have too many other breads. I got the satin breads, got the patent breads, and I think I'm just going to let all of them go and just wait till next year to actually get the shoe that I want, the shoe that I know I'm going to be wearing a lot, the high 85 Air Jordan 1 breads. And just those three sneakers I mentioned, man, kind of shows that Nike ain't playing. We're still going to be getting the Air Jordan 10 to release next year. We're going to be getting the Air Jordan 9s and the cool grays. Just a bunch of other, those OG classic colorways that we grew up always wanting, and we've been asking for a while, and now we are finally getting them, man. I'm just super excited, man. I cannot wait. The Foamposite hype is about to be coming back, and do not be alarmed when these things sell out like crazy. It's gonna be hard to get them. Just anticipate that, because this is what happened for the original drop for the Galaxies. We've been waiting over 10, 15 years for these things to retro, so I cannot wait for these things, man. Let me know if you're excited down below in the comment section. If you guys are still tapped into the video, man, you watching, you tuned in, something we've been doing lately, man, go ahead and comment Foamposites ain't dead in the comment section. I know it's gonna be a couple people that don't agree with that because of the current status of the Foamposite, but me, myself, man, for the true OG sneakerheads out there that love foams, I know you cannot wait to comment that down below, because me, I still love me a crispy pair of Foamposites. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, tapping into another video. Again, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and leave a huge like on today's video. Let's get this video in the algorithm. Let's see how many people is interested about these Foamposites. I know it's probably one of the more dying silhouettes. We got to bring them back to life. We got to give them the credit they deserve. Shout out to Penny Hardaway. Shout out to Nike. I'm super excited. Again, man, appreciate y'all. Love you guys. Thanks so much for tapping in. And with all this being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.